Hi, in this video, we're going to build the main to-do feature for our to-do app. We're going to explore how to use the Notion AI feature to extract your user stories and then start using these user stories in this app called Lovable to build your first app. Let's go. Now, before we start, I've actually created more user stories in my product backlog because I want to show you the benefits of categorizing your data well for Gen AI applications, which is the skill I want you all to learn. Now, as you can see, I've labeled the 3 user stories from the last video as to do and other user stories according to what features they are supposed to create. I want to show you now that with just a bit of upstream work in cataloging your user stories, you can use AI features to simplify your workflow. Now, when you go into your product backlog, there's a little smiley face icon at the bottom right. Click on that to bring up the Notion AI assistant. This is a chatbot assistant that can help you synthesize and summarize all the things within your Notion. So I'm going to tell it to extract all the user stories from my product backlog that are associated with the to-do feature, ignore all features, and list them here so I can copy them to use as a prompt later in Lovable. Now, don't worry if that was too fast. All the prompts that I use are in my YouTube description below. So as usual, just copy and follow along. As expected, because we have categorized our user stories very well, the AI is able to capture all the user stories for the to-do feature as well as the acceptance criteria. What you're going to do now is just to click on the copy button and copy the entire set of 3 user stories. Now, I'm going to need you to sign up for this app called Lovable next. So don't worry, everything's free for now. Lovable is an app builder that doesn't need you to know how to code to build apps. So just pause the video, sign up for an account now, and you can use Lovable's chat bar to start building. They give you 5 free credits every day, so you can do this course over a long period of time at your own pace. When you're done signing up for Lovable, go to the main chat bar and paste in the user stories you just copied from Notion. You can do some formatting adjustments here before you submit, but it's really not necessary. Next, click on Submit. This will send Lovable into a coding frenzy. It will design the to-do feature based on your user stories. And it's really hard to believe, but all this takes place in just under a minute. What would have taken maybe half a day for a software engineer to prototype, Lovable has done in just a few moments of your time. Now you can go ahead and check out the app that he has written for you in the preview panel. Check through all the functions, like creating a new task, setting due dates, setting the priority of your task, and of course, creating an actual task itself. You should realize that everything that you have specified in your user story should have been created in this feature. And that's really it. Just like that, in a few minutes, you've created your very first working app. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your app to the internet. So see you there.